everyone. So I am currently on the train headed to Bristol with Visit England to experience a little MicroGap. Really excited. I haven't been to Bristol yet. I've heard amazing things about it from everyone that I've asked about it. Everyone says it is their favorite city outside of London in the UK, so I'm really hoping that it's a cool one and that I have a good time. So I'm going to bring you along with me throughout the day. We've got a couple of things planned, so yeah, let's get started. So we have arrived in Bristol and we are headed to a street art walking tour because Bristol is actually where Banksy is from. So if you've been following me for a long time on any platform, then you know that I love street art. So I'm really excited about this tour. Hopefully we'll get some interesting information about Bristol, which I will be sure to share with you. But yeah, let's get started. Let's go check it out and see what we find. So we're currently on a walking tour with Where the Wall in Bristol, and we've just learned a little bit about how Banksy got his start. He is actually not the originator of street art in Bristol. He is considered a second generation street artist here, and we're now on the third generation of street artists. The reason that Banksy is anonymous is because when he first began with his street art, there was a zero tolerance policy for street art and graffiti, so he had to stay anonymous, and it's turned out to be a great move for him because now he's one of the most famous people in the world and nobody even knows who he is. Walk past the police station, which has clean graffiti on it, and basically people have taken woodcut stencils, put them up against the wall, and then used like a power washer essentially to break down the diesel fuel that has left marks over. We are about to start doing our own little stencil spray painting situation. So I'm doing this heart behind me. Laura and Carl are both going to be working on some skulls, and I'm really looking forward to it, but I'm a little nervous because I'm wearing white and this is brand new, so hopefully I don't make a mess, but you know, this is what we're here for, to make our own street art. So we've just sat down to lunch at the canteen in Bristol. We're in the area called Stokes Croft. It's like a really artsy, cool area. There's murals everywhere on the buildings outside, and we're about to have a nice 3-course vegan meal starting off with some soup. We have finished our lunch and we are now headed to a gin masterclass, which you know I love and I'm excited about. We're going to Milk and Thistle and we're going to learn all about gin and make some cocktails, and I think it'll be the perfect way to finish out this day. Class. So that kind of wraps it up for today. If you like what you saw, please, as always, give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I will see you soon.